National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Lubbock County in northwestern Texas, Lynn County in northwestern Texas, northeastern Terry County in northwestern Texas, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles southeast of Woodrow to Slide to 11 miles south of Wolford, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tahoka, Slide, Woodrow, Wilson, and New Home. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. In addition to large hail, significant amounts of smaller hail are likely. Accumulating hail can cause damage to crops, trees, and vehicles. You're listening to NOAA Weather